What's the meaning of air dash? Air dash. Air dash. Air dash. Air dash. Air dash.
Air dash refers to a movement technique found in many video games, particularly in fighting games and platformers, where the player character performs a quick dash or jump in midair. This allows them to quickly evade attacks, cross large gaps, or approach opponents from unexpected angles. The air dash typically covers a greater distance than a regular jump or dash, and can sometimes be used multiple times in succession. It's a powerful tool for advanced players looking to gain a tactical advantage in fast-paced gameplay scenarios.